For the first time in history, even America's sensors couldn't track it. Above Chengdu, a tailless black jet climbed through the sky and disappeared from radar. It was December 26, 2024, the day China showed the world something new. The J-36, a sixth-generation stealth fighter with 3 engines, 2 pilots, and 1 goal: to make the U.S. Air Force look outdated. Every major air defense system failed to detect it. That moment proved China's technology had caught up. For years, critics said China copied Western jets. But this time, China built its own design from zero. The J-36 was not a clone, it was a new generation of power. It can fly higher, faster, and stay hidden longer than anything seen before. And the timing mattered. The flight happened on Mao Zedong's birthday, a clear message that this jet was built to show national strength. Experts say it's not just a fighter jet. It's a flying command center that can control drones, jam radars, and lead future air wars. But the biggest question is, can anyone stop it? December 26, 2024, a day that changed how the world looked at the sky. High above Chengdu, China launched the J-36, a jet unlike anything seen before. It had no tail, no visible engine exhaust, and it moved silently through the air. People on the ground saw it, but radars didn't. It just appeared as if out of nowhere. Inside China, it was a moment of national pride. Crowds celebrated online, calling it a symbol of strength and progress. But around the world, experts were shocked. They expected a prototype, not a fully operational sixth-generation fighter. And the fact that no foreign radar detected it raised serious questions. Was this just a test flight, or was it a message? Because this wasn't just another military trial, it was a demonstration of power. And the date made it even clearer. The first flight happened on Mao Zedong's birthday, a day chosen on purpose. That choice turned the launch into a signal, not just a milestone. It told the world that China's rise was now visible in the sky. December 26 is Mao Zedong's birthday, one of the most important dates in China's history. That's a day China chose to show the J-36 to the world. It was not a random choice, it was a powerful message. The flight was meant to show that China's rise was now unstoppable. Across the country, state media showed the launch live on television. They called it proof of aerospace supremacy. The goal was clear, to tell the world that China can now compete with the U.S. For millions of people watching, it felt like a national celebration. It was seen as a gift to the nation, timed perfectly on a historic day. But for military experts, it meant something more serious. The J-36 wasn't just a test plane. It was the start of a new fleet. It showed that China's air power was now real and ready. Every step, from the timing to the design, was carefully planned. But what truly shocked everyone wasn't the timing. It was a design, something even U.S. engineers had never seen before. The J-36 is not a small jet. It is about 23 meters long and 19 meters wide, making it bigger than an F-22 Raptor. Its body looks like a diamond-shaped triangle built for stealth and speed. It has no vertical stabilizers, meaning there are no tail fin for radar to detect. From below, it looks like a black flying wing, and on radar screens, it almost disappears completely. The surface of the jet absorbs light and deflects radar signals, making it extremely hard to track or lock onto. Its design was not copied from any American jet. It was created by AI, using thousands of simulations to find zero drag and maximum lift. Every bolt, panel, and rivet was tested to survive Mach 2.5 speed in high heat. Even the smallest part had to follow perfect geometry to keep the jet stable. Experts say the J-36 shape defies normal flight physics. But what truly worries U.S. defense planners is not the design itself. It's the power source hidden inside this flying machine. The J-36 is powered by 3 WS-15 engines, not 2 like most fighters. Each engine can push the jet to near hypersonic speed, making it one of the fastest aircraft ever designed. Together, these engines create unmatched thrust and massive electrical output. That power isn't just used to fly. It also feeds the AI systems, the radar, and the directed energy weapons on board. This means the jet doesn't just move fast, it also thinks fast. Its onboard AI can make flight corrections, target decisions, and defensive responses before a human pilot can even react. In simple words, it's a machine that learns in the air. The J-36 can manage its own thermal systems, weapon bays, and sensor networks, without waiting for pilot input. No other stealth jet has this level of energy control and automation. But to handle that much power, China had to build something the world had never seen before. A dual-cockpit stealth jet where two pilots share control between human instinct and artificial intelligence. The J-36 has a side-by-side cockpit, the first ever designed for a stealth fighter. Two pilots sit next to each other under a single canopy. One flies the jet, managing speed, altitude, and movement. The other controls digital warfare, drones, electronic jamming, and long-range missiles all at once. It's like flying a fighter and commanding a small air force at the same time. This setup turns a J-36 into a flying command center, not just another combat jet. Its AI systems share data with unmanned drones, allowing the pilot team to direct multiple aircraft in real time. They can launch strikes, jam enemy radars, and defend themselves all within seconds. Inside that cockpit, human instinct works with machine logic. Every screen, every sensor, and every weapon is connected through one smart network. It's not just two people flying a jet. It's a human-AI partnership controlling the sky. But the true danger of the J-36 is hidden deep inside its belly, where weapons unlike any seen before are waiting. The J-36 keeps all its weapons inside the body. It has 3 internal weapon bays that open only when needed. The main bay in the center is 7.5 meters long. That space is large enough to hold YJ-12 anti-ship missiles and PL-17 long-range air-to-air missiles. These weapons can travel hundreds of kilometers to hit a target. The jet stays invisible on radar the whole time. It can fire a missile and close the doors in seconds, without losing its stealth cover. Enemies can't see it, can't hear it, and can't stop it. That's what makes this aircraft so dangerous. Even U.S. carriers in the ocean could be in range. Every missile is AI guided and can track moving targets. It doesn't need constant control from the pilot. The J-36 can attack ships, jets, or radar bases, and disappear right after. This jet doesn't warn its enemies before striking. It just finishes the job quietly. And with this kind of speed and range, no ocean or border is truly safe anymore. The J-36 can fly at Mach 2.5 without using afterburners. That means it can supercruise, stay at top speed without wasting fuel. Its combat range reaches nearly 4,000 kilometers. That puts Guam, Japan, and even parts of Hawaii within its strike zone. This is not a short-range fighter. It's a global threat that can fly across oceans. Its fuel tanks carry more than 15 tons of jet fuel, almost as much as a bomber. That gives it the ability to take off, attack, and return home, without ever refueling in the air. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.